I'm always expanding my business, and so keeping track of everything is becoming a chore, especially having access to it. So most of the time I just have my weedeater line just thrown in here, which, I mean, it works, but you know, I gotta keep looking for it, pop open the trunk, unroll it, unspool it, cut it to fit. So it's just becoming a hassle. You're just constantly changing it out. So I ordered this off Amazon. It's a spool holder. Put the spools in there, slide this through, lock it on that side. It's got a line cutter right here on the front. So you just pull it exactly how much you need, pop it, snap it off. So it looks like it'll work pretty good. So I'm going to install it. I'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So I'm going to install it right here. And it's a good enough spot at any. Plus it comes with bolts, not screws. So if this location doesn't work out, I can always move it around. It comes with some pretty heavy duty hardware too, man. So I'm going to install it right here. Man, I look pink as crap out here. Well, that was it, man. It was really easy, really easy. It looks really. Also, I got little small spools, man, but it can slide out another 2 or 3 inches and accommodate huge ones. And it has 2 separate cutters and line holders for 2, but I guess you could do multiple ones and just spin it back in. But I like it, man. Out of the way. In a good spot, locked down, no moving it around. Thumbs up.